front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Start by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now, to record your audio file and add it instantly, use this icon at the bottom right corner. Record. Restart if you want to. Stop your recording thanks to red button. And tap on Attach One on the right to add it to your message. But most people struggle with adding already existing audio file. To do it, tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and hit Files. Don't worry, I tested it before multiple times and I can assure you it will work, because after entering Files, you can find your audio one in one of those apps or by tapping Audio at the top. If you still can't find it, don't worry, just click on those three lines at the top left corner and access all of those sources to finally find your file. Then click on it to add it. If you want to add a video one, you can click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Now switch to video. Adjust all of those camera settings and when you're ready, start and finish your recording. After you will finish, it will be automatically added to your message, so all you need to do is send it. If you want to pick already existing video though, you need to click on the same icon, scroll to find it here and tap on it to add it. Or if you can't find it, scroll all the way down and hit Folders at the bottom left corner to find all of your photos and all of your videos. After finding the one you wish to attach, just click on it, select Done at the bottom right corner, then confirm your choice by hitting Done again, and finally just send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!